Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a rake, or if you buy any rake and then you want to use in the shop, or you want to use in your house, or anything else, or you want to use for the storeroom. You buy ready like this rake, but you don't know how to build it. Even you follow the diagram, but you cannot do. So this video will help you how you can build easy steps, but you have to follow and then learn how you can do it. For example, this rake just now I made. And then if we order, we buy the new rake, it comes like that in the box. So you're a bit confused that how you can follow the steps. I will show you the step by step and then how you can do that, all the things. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic. So I'm following this rake now. So we see here the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then that is the final result. So we will follow each step and then I show you step by step. So first thing, we open this one. So this one is the base for the sides. This one, my camera can show you, this one got holes both sides for the nails. So holding the pins. Then we here. Now here you get this diagram. 2 hand gloves if you want to wear. This one for the clips. This one is hammer. This one the side rakes. Then this one the other side. Then this one is the final steps. As you can see, this one 2 nails will go other side, this one also. Now first thing, open these clips and then put bottom and top these clips like this. Then you have to fix here like that. Then other side also same thing. Now this nail, you can see here, these two, put like that, for example, like that. Then this one must be like that.